Did you know that 1/3 of all FDA warning letters mention test methods or their validation? It's a very common reason why MedTech companies fail inspections. In every project, I see the same pattern. Test methods aren't really developed and definitely not validated. That leads to problems like recalls, market delays, and serious audit findings. That's exactly why we created this webinar on the 7 deadly sins of test method validation. I will show you the 7 recurring patterns that destroy test method validation. Patterns that appear in FDA warning letters again and again. You will learn step by step which mistakes to avoid, what inspectors actually look for, and how to build test method validations that are fully audit-proof. We'll cover real FDA warning letter examples, from missing validation and arbitrary sample sizes to inadequate change control and worst-case testing gaps. Join the webinar today and make your test method validations truly audit-ready. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.